This choice I always have. I can react to whatever is happening to me in a positive way or react to it in a negative way. You have to decide for yourselves which way would you wish to react to what is happening to you.
बर्फ पहाड़न ते मुझे अंदर थे विकार, बेबस बंदी विचारी, बेबस बंदी विचारी, वेठी रुआं ज़ारों ज़ार, वेठी रुआं ज़ारों ज़ार। अच्छी बर्फ पहाड़न ते मुझे अंदर थे, हंस पखी थी आयस हितरे, दिल में हो दीदार। हंस पखी थी आयस हितरे, दिल में हो दीदार। हंस पखी थी आयस हितरे, दिल में हो दीदार। संग कयम चिबरन जो, संग कयो मूं चिबरन जो, संग कयो मूं चिबरन जो, कयम माया दे निहार, कयम माया दे मुहार। अच्छी बर्फ पहाड़न ते दिल में थी, रतन त्यागे कोरियूं कमायूं, अलावेसर जो वहिंवार। हाणे अल्लाह वेठी हथ हणामा, हाणे अल्लाह वेठी हथ हणामा। सुनंदो केरु सदकार, सुनंदो केरु सदकार। अच्छी बर्फ पहाड़न ते मुझे अंदर थी, वज वेही वर वर विञायम, सवें दिन सरदार। साल विया खिन में गुज़र, साल विया खिन में निबिर, साल विया खिन में उॾामी। कीन कयम संभार, कीन कयम संभार। अच्छी बर्फ पहाड़न ते मुझे अंदर थे विकार, दिल ते वेही दाग लगायम। अंदर आहे अंधकार, अंदर आहे अंधकार। दिल ते वेही दाग लगायम, अंदर आहे अंधकार, अंदर आहे अंदर आहे अंधकार, अंदर आहे अंधकार। उमेद अथ में कतो में तो में, उमेद अथ में कतो में तो में। दिल में दीपक बार, दिल में दीपक बार। अच्छी बर्फ बहार में मुझे अंदर थे विकार, मुझे अंदर थे। माफ करे सब में जुमदायूं कदमन नूरी विहार, कदमन नूरी विहार। साफ करे तू अंजलिए, साफ करे तू अंजलिए, साफ करे तू अंजलिए खे भवसागर पारुकार, भवसागर पारुकार, भवसागर पारुकार।
So many people they come and lay blame on their हमारी किस्मत ऐसी है. They lay blame on किस्मत. They lay blame on their stars. They lay blame on their destiny. But they forget that they are the builders of their own destiny. They are the masters of their own fate. Collapse of education is the collapse of a nation. Our kind president has inaugurated the school. I would request him to bless the school so that out of the school may go forth men and women inspired by great ideals, so that India may once again shine in the light of the new morning sun. I thank you. Om Shanti Shanti.
For 79 of these 100 years, since he renounced worldly attachments at the young age of 21, Dada J.P. Vaswani has dedicated every moment to the cause of humanity. He has been an ambassador of Indian tradition and culture on countless platforms within the country and abroad, including at the United Nations. I understand that in his younger days, Dada J.P. Vaswani was a brilliant student. He was a university topper in physics, and his thesis on the scattering of X-rays by solids was assessed by none other than Sir C.V. Raman, the first Indian scientist to win the Nobel Prize. Yet, Dada J.P. Vaswani thought nothing of sacrificing a promised academic career to immerse himself in spiritual learning, in welfare, in caring for the underprivileged, and even for defenseless animals. One of the methods he has chosen is to light the lamp of education. The setting up of Sadhu Vaswani schools in different locations of the country is a part of his journey. This is a commendable achievement, and this is the rich and purposeful legacy that strengthens the very foundations of the school.
मुझे बहुत खुशी है कि आज मैं यहाँ आया हूँ, और मुझे याद आ रहा था मैं कब से यहाँ आ रहा हूँ। तो मेरे कॉलेज के दिनों से, यानी 50 साल से मैं कभी ना कभी यहाँ आता रहा हूँ और दादाजी का प्रवचन सुनता आ रहा हूँ। और दादाजी का एक वाक्य मुझे बहुत सही लगा, और सही है ही, कि कोलैप्स ऑफ एजुकेशन इज कोलैप्स ऑफ नेशन। और इसलिए ये देश फिर से उभर सके, इसके लिए शिक्षा को सही प्राथमिकता देने के लिए हमने लर्निंग आउटकम्स लाए हैं, टीचर का ट्रेनिंग पर जोर दिया है, और उसके साथ साथ एक पूरी चुस्त व्यवस्था तैयार कर रहे हैं, समग्र शिक्षा को सोच रहे हैं, और इस तरह से शिक्षा को सार्थक करेंगे। मुझे लगता है सर, यही मेरी गुरुदक्षिणा रहेगी। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
when they made me stand up and say something, and I said, I know you, but I didn't know you. I know what it is to fall in love, but never knew what it was to rise in love. Why, when you knew I was in need of you, did you not come to me? And you said, Durga, I can do anything, but that first step you took. So now I will carry you. You promised me that. I will.
Everything is working for my good. Everything is working for my good. Those are magic words. They are words of tremendous power. Everything, whatever be the situation, whatever be the problem you have to face, whatever be the challenge you are confronted with, everything is working for your good.
I just wanted to add something. In caring for Dada Vaswani, the night that after his surgery, when he was going through so much, and we looked as though it may have been a stroke that was causing the left arm now not to move, and his right arm was casted, I told him, Dada, I believe that you should not play ping pong anymore, as this was the initial cause of his accident. And he said it with a big smile, this is the first thing I shall do when I am better. I just think that's amazing, so I wanted to add that.
Dear Dada, my mind is very weak and I lack willpower. Please advise how I can strengthen my mind.
Willpower can be strengthened firstly by repeated prayers. Keep on repeating, God, give me willpower. God, I want to be your instrument. I want to be an instrument of good forces. Give me willpower, give me willpower, give me willpower. You have to sort of this thing is not actual, but you have to tire out God. He will give you will. So, koi bhang chade na to So do I. You are such a darling.
Thank you.
God bless you. गुरुदेव चांदा साधु वासवानी रोज घट में घट के 15 मिनट ॿारनि जो संग करियो चिल में वो संग ब्लेस करे
which means my older brother in my language, the Sioux language. That's the way we greet each other. We don't say your name, but we refer to you as how we are related. You see?
Michakola.
Yeah, Michakola would mean my friend. Yeah.
What did you say?
Michakola.
Michakola. My spiritual brother.
And what do you call younger brother?
Misukala.
Misukola.
Yeah, Misukala.
You call me Misukola,
No,
I
no.
will call you Michu.
Oh, okay. No, he's very good.
I have so much to learn from you.
Oh, brother. I'm afraid.
Dear Dada, you told us in your talk to have a positive attitude besides having a healthy sense of humor. How do we do this? What else should we do to start practicing this?
Come to me. सतगुरु अपने साथ राखो सतगुरु अपने साथ राखो सतगुरु अपने साथ राखो सतगुरु अपने साथ राखो सतगुरु अपने साथ दीन बंधु दीनानाथ तेरी डोरी तेरे हाथ दीन बंधु दीनानाथ तेरी डोरी तेरे हाथ दीन बंधु दीनानाथ तेरी डोरी तेरे हाथ दीन बंधु दीनानाथ तेरी डोरी तेरे हाथ. Take every day a good bath, Deen Bandhu. Every day a good bath by singing Deen Bandhu Deenanath.